Killer Ink crew, Jenny here to take you through the full range of Saferly products, from novelty ink cups to vegan-friendly thermal transfer paper. We're huge fans of Saferly, makers of high-quality, essential tattoo products at affordable prices. Plus, we love seeing what quirky new ink cups they're going to release next. Too busy to watch the whole video? Check out the timestamps below to skip to the product you want to see. Okay, housekeeping done, now strap in and get comfy for this Saferly Tattoo Essentials run-through. First up, Saferly's innovative Cartridge Cup. This 2-piece PET plastic cup comes as a large base container that's 5 centimeters tall with a lid that holds cartridges vertically. It's perfect for keeping your needles from drying out or for cleaning them before switching to ink of a different color. Both the lids and the bases are stackable, and at less than 10 grams per pot, they're ideal for conventions and guest spots, as well as your own studio or workspace. Next up, Saferly Thermal Image Copier paper. This thermal transfer paper has 4 layers, including a top tracing sheet, a protective middle sheet, purple carbon backing sheet, and a yellow carrier sheet. To use, simply tear off the top sheet, remove the protective middle sheet, and feed it into any thermal printer. We'd recommend using the Elite. Saferly's thermal paper uses high visibility purple dyes with a wax blend matrix that's both smooth and responsive to pressure, contributing to a crisp, high quality tattoo stencil. And unlike most tattoo stencils, which contain lanolin, Saferly's thermal copier paper is totally vegan. And now, maybe our favorite tattoo accessories ever? Saferly's range of ink cups aren't just cute and quirky, they're eminently practical, with plenty of space for ink and for you to safely dip your needle. Take your pick from cute pink hearts, pink, black or white skulls, and these iconic Cutie Doll heads. Each is made with a large opening to allow plenty of room to dip your needle, and a wider base than top to keep them securely on your workstation. All Saferly ink cups are made from strong polypropylene plastic, so there's no risk of cracking or leaking. The heart cups come in medium or large sizes, the skull in your choice of colour, and the cutie dolls come just the way they are. Perfect. We'd love to know which Saferly products you're a fan of, and we bet it's going to be one of those ink cups. Let us know in the comments, like the video and subscribe for product news and reviews, plus exclusive tattoo tutorials with the experts. We'd recommend using the Elite.